All right, he's coming back out now. He's going to be westbound on 233rd from 138th.
Glad to have him.
Yep. He's yeah, now he's turning around and heading back eastbound again.
Then again.
And it dead ends right there. There's no other way to go. Let's get another unit down here, help him out. 139th and 233rd.
There.
139, 233.
They just had a minor collision. They're
Crash.
all right. They foot bailed, and officers are trying to get him into custody.
Third officers trying to get him into custody. Thank you.
All other income can slow down. We have enough units there.
All incoming slow.
Oh, you can slow people down.
Incoming slow.
Yeah, Guardian 1. Yeah, everybody can slow down, and you might want to start rolling fire. I can't tell if it's steam or if the suspect vehicle is maybe a little bit on fire.
Copy, rolling fire.
Yeah, Alan, we have one in custody.